misty eye of the mountain below. Keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over during sun.
Hey guys, it's me, Brett, and I'm going out with my Red Ryder BB gun. I have a 760 Pump Master, but I'm still working on how to get the aiming correct. I've already killed a woodpecker. Too bad I didn't get that on camera, but let's go. So I'm looking for any type of bird. Oh yeah, I was hunting a dove. And it sucks because I shot it like 10 times and it was still just like, I don't care, I'm going away from here. This guy ain't hurting me at all. So now I'm working on smaller birds like woodpeckers, blue jays. Ooh, I saw something over here. I think he's in that big tree right there. Oh, yeah, he's in that big tree, all right. I'm gonna set you guys up at on the ground this time. Maybe not. I might find a better place. Nope, on the ground. I'll set you guys right down. Right now. Okay. Ah, he went over here. Oh, I see him. I see him. I'm gonna put you guys down quick. Sorry about everything. Okay, so this bird I just killed. This bird cut its head off because I thought it'd be good to eat because my mom and me were going to burn it and everything. But I killed this one. But this one was stronger, but they're both like the same size. And subscribe and like.
If this is too many far, then we should all burn together. Watch the